once you turn on your Akai Force, on the screen, the display, it pretty much starts up in demo mode. Now, what is demo mode? Demo mode is actually Akai giving you a group of tracks that they prepared for you to actually guide you through your music making process. So that's actually demo mode. But after a while, when you starting to get used to the Force, you're starting to use the Force, it's pretty much annoying every time you turn the Force on and you see this mode. So right now, I'm going to show you in this video how to remove the demo mode pretty much to the start on a fresh pad or fresh scene, or you can actually prepare a template, and once you start, the template loads up. So what's up, YouTube? My name is Martin, thus dancehall DJ and producer. Welcome to the channel. If you have subscribed already, thumbs up, big up yourself. If you have not yet subscribed, thanks for clicking the video. Please do so. Just hit the subscription button down below, or just hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. So let's get into it. So right now it's in demo mode. If you click one of these tracks, Akai would pretty much load up a demo track with, you know, all the instruments, right? But let's just go to an empty project. So if we hit empty project right here and let that load up. So pretty much it's a fresh new slate. You can add any plugin or any tracks you want inside here right now. You could change your keys, everything like that. So let me just hit the plus sign. Let me just add a drum. So I had a drum track. All right, let me just hit the plus sign again. Let me add a plugin track. So let's double tap that plugin to actually change our plugin selection. We could go for hype, any one of them you want to go for, because we're pretty much just loading it. All right, so that's baseline. So let's just go somewhere else, add another plugin. Okay, so basically, let's double tap it again. Hold on, double tap that again and go in. Yeah, let's just leave that on hype. So let's say this is all your tracks that you want right here in the Force. What we're going to do now, let's just save this, right? So let's just save this right now. If I hit save, save the project at, let's say, Force 1. Let's say Force 1, all right? So we save it, Force space 1. Hit do it. For now, I want you to actually just press save template. We're going to use it later on. So I want you to hit this check mark, all right, and hit that check mark right there and save template. We're going to use it later on. So we save that template right there. Okay, so basically right now we're going to remove the demo screen. Okay, so we hit menu, we hit the gear icon right there for settings, then we go down to project details. Once we hit project details, up here where it says new dialog project, okay, right here it has demo selected. Okay, so we're going to turn that off. So hit your dial up at the top right, and just hit your rotary dial right here, put it at off, select it. Okay, go back to menu. So what we're going to actually do is turn the Akai Force off, and then we're going to, you know, turn it back on. So let's turn it off. Okay, the Force is back on. Now the Akai Force is back on, and it gives you a fresh project. Nothing is there, plus only 2 tracks. So pretty much right there we eliminated the demo screen coming up, and it just takes us directly into the Force. So that saves us a little bit of time. Now what we're gonna do, that template that we saved before that said Force 1, we are gonna actually make it easy for us to actually just load into that template. Okay, so we're gonna hit menu, and then we'll hit menu, go back to hit the gear icon right here. Then we're gonna, instead of project defaults, we're gonna go to project load. All right, so if you go to project load and you hit it's set right here on Force 1, so it automatically saves this project, right, to Force 1. Now if we go back and go to project default, and then we, you know, change the rotary to demo template and recent. All right, so we change it to demo template and recent, and then we select that. Okay, hit restart the Force, shut down. So here you see the Force, it gives us the empty project template, so we could go to an empty project. It also gives us the demos right here, and it gives us open a recent project. So basically it gives us the option of opening one of the projects we already created. So that saves us a little bit of time. Okay, so if we hit use a template right now, look what happened. We hit the user template and it's going to take us directly into the project that we named Force 1. So let's say you're making whatever type of music you make, but let's say you're making an R&B track and that's what you mainly make. You load up all your samples, all your sounds into that project that you normally started out with, so you have pretty much like a basic layout, okay? And then you just save it as a template and you come back to it every time you open the Force and it's right there. It saves you a lot of time. So if this video helped you a lot, please like it, share it. If you have not yet subscribed, I encourage you to do so. All right, please remember, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. So please let me know down in the comments if this is something that you will be doing, or if you're more comfortable for it just to be loading up on the demo screen. All right, as I said before, hope this video helped you out a lot. Martin Dust, I'm out. Catch you in the next video. I'm out.